Hello and welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to show you how you can set up Ubuntu Server Minimal version on AWS. Now Ubuntu Server Minimal version is 50% the size of a standard Ubuntu installation and it boots up 40% faster. So simply click the link in the description box to come to this image listing in the AWS marketplace, and from here you want to create a new EC2 virtual machine. So for that simply click on continue to subscribe, and then you would have to wait for a little while for the subscription to validate, and then you can click on this option that says continue to configuration. From here choose the desired AMI, which is the Amazon machine image, and choose the region where you want to deploy your virtual machine. So I'm going to choose the region which is the closest to me, which is East Asia, and then click on continue to launch. From here you can choose either to launch this virtual machine from the website or to launch it from the EC2 console. So I'm going to change it to EC2 console and then click on launch. And from this page you can customize your virtual machine. You can give it any name, so I'm going to call it Ubuntu Minimal. Scroll down and make sure that the image is Minimal Ubuntu 20.04. By the way, we also have a link for Ubuntu Minimal Server version, which is 18.04. So scroll down and choose the key pair. You can create a new key pair or you can choose an already existing one. I am going to go with an already existing one. And then when you're satisfied with the setting, simply click on this option that says launch instance. After the instance has successfully initiated, you can click on this option that says view all instances. In here you can see your newly created virtual machine, which is Ubuntu Minimal, but as you can see it is still in the pending state. So you would have to wait for a little while for it to change its state from pending to running. And after it has changed its state to running, simply right click on it and click on connect. So basically your virtual machine is running Ubuntu Minimal, but to connect to it using the SSH terminal, you would have to copy this command, open up a new command prompt or a PowerShell, type in this command and replace all of this data between these quotation marks for the path where you have downloaded your private key. After putting in the path for the private key, you simply want to hit enter, and then when you are prompted you want to type in yes. And now as you can see that I have logged into my SSH terminal of my virtual machine, which is now running Ubuntu 20.04 minimal version. Now as you can see on the screen, or I should say on my command prompt, that it says that to restore this content you can run the unminimize command. Basically what this is saying is that if you want to switch this particular installation of Ubuntu to the standard installation, simply type in the command unminimize and it would change back to the standard installation. So that was it for this very quick tutorial on how to set up Ubuntu Minimal on AWS. If you have any queries regarding this tutorial, leave them in the comment section, and make sure to check out the links in the description box for the marketplace listing for this Ubuntu Minimal 20.04 image. And if this video has helped you in any way, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.